What is time perception? A subjective feeling of time's passage. What is prospection? Mental simulation of future. How does music affect time? Can distort perception. What is subjective time? Personal experience of time. How does pain affect time? Can make it seem slow. How does meditation affect time? Can alter perception. What is temporal discounting? Preferring immediate rewards. What affects time perception? Emotion and attention. What is peak-end rule? Memory bias in time. What is cultural relativity? Time perception varies.